Helentome factory. Few days ago I get this drill press, and this is already 4 drill press in my property. I get this drill press from one old man who not run this drill press since beginning of 1990s. A little bit cleaned it up. What else I did? I found out this machine is built in 1963. This is an old cable what it had. At start I wanted to connect these wires in this, but then I noticed that this wiring diagram for the switch, and I little bit take it worry, and I just exchanged the cable because I'm not sure for this cable safety, so throw it away. This can lift up, little bit dirty here. Actually I not moved this and not yet connected to the power, so need to heat on pulleys. It's rust, belt is rusted into in pulleys. So first RPMs. So let's close it. Let's try to run. Also I was in store and get new drill chuck what I fit over here later. So moment of history. Oh, okay. Nice. I'm not sure if you noticed that dust over it. I see even spins in direct way. Oh, backward. Nice. So, first run after 25 years, even more. Here is a spring what brings up the spindle. Actually, that's the idea how I can fix my machines. I just should to make something like this. On my machines also have a place where is attached the safety guard for belt, and one of the bolt places I can use for attaching spring. And here is a limiter. Pretty good. So it looks a little bit rust on the table. Nothing special. That comes off very fast. Oh, still moving. Oops. Hey. Luckily, no rust over here. Luckily, even little bit, some old oil. Like an archaeology. So, definitely I could keep this, but I'm not sure yet. So, thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.